With less than a week to go for the first phase of polling in Bihar, campaigning by the political parties is now tightened. That they have now entered the phase of releasing their manifestos. तो आइए देखते हैं किसकी प्लेट में क्या क्या है और कौन क्या क्या परोस रहा है। शुरुआत करते हैं बीजेपी से। BJP has given an individual manifesto as well. And they say if they come to power again, with JDU of course, then they will provide free COVID-19 vaccines to everyone in Bihar. एक मिनट, क्या मैंने भी वही सुना जो आपने सुना? फ्री कोविड-19 वैक्सीन्स? वेल, काफ़ी प्रॉमिसिंग है ये अप्रोच इनका, पर पता नहीं कितना प्रैक्टिकल होगा। आइए देखते हैं और क्या क्या सरप्राइजेज हैं। 19 लाख जॉब्स, 3 लाख टीचर्स पोजीशंस, 1 लाख जॉब्स इन हेल्थ सेक्टर एंड होम्स फॉर 30 लाख पीपल। अब जेडीयू ने कुछ तो अलग करना ही था, सो दे हैव गिवन अ टैगलाइन टू देयर मैनिफेस्टो। पूरे होते वादे, अब है नए इरादे। जेडीयू ने जॉब्स पर ध्यान ना देते हुए टेक्निकल एजुकेशन पर ज़्यादा ध्यान दिया है। Well, their manifesto says arrangements for better technical education will be made, and according to them, it will give better job opportunities not only in the Bihar but in the country and outside. They also said that entrepreneurship will be encouraged so that the youth can themselves generate employment opportunities. Well, they're promising to give better quality education to the students of Polytechnic by providing them best institutions in the state. Now, every district will have a mega skill training centers where popular skills that always have a demand in the market such as apparel making, refrigerator, solar panel mechanics, beauty and wellness training will be offered. There will also be training for students who have passed class 10 or 12. Well, this is not it. A special scheme for women will be brought where enterprises set up by them will get loans up to 5 lakh and up to 50% and up to 5 lakh interest fee waived. They are claiming to provide easy access to higher education for women. They said they will also be providing rupees 25,000 to the unmarried women who cross the interstate, and for those who graduate higher education will receive rupees 50,000. Now proceeding further, how can we forget Chirag Paswan led LJP? LJP has released their manifesto with campaign tagline Bihar First, Bihari First. And इनके हिसाब से बिहार के लोगों की समस्याओं पर पहले ध्यान दिया जाएगा. Their manifesto includes building a web portal where job seekers and employers can connect easily. Separate toilets for women in all the block headquarters, Gram Panchayat headquarters and markets. Connecting all the rivers by setting up canals to prevent floods and drought. And this is one of the main promises mentioned in the manifesto. They seek to promote spiritual tourism in Sitamarhi on the lines of Ayodhya and Uttar Pradesh. And also they are focusing on developing art and engineering institutes. Tejasvi Yadav has released their manifesto, RJD Alliance with Congress. He said our party's resolution is to bring overall development to the state and create a new stunning Bihar. 10 lakh government jobs, 4.5 lakh jobs in health sector and education sector. According to him, Maithili language to be compulsory. And importantly, Mazdoor Information Center in all states capital has also been promised to help migrant laborers who had been a major sufferer during the lockdown. This is what this party is promising. Progress Party led by Pushpam Priya Chaudhary also released their manifesto, in which she promises to give 80 lakh jobs to the people of Bihar. According to her, the state will be divided into 8 development zones: Patliputra, Ang, Magad, Champaran, Mithila, Kaushiki, Kaimur and Vaishali. She'll be replacing minimum support price by giving handsome profit to the producers, that is farmers. The government will also construct a 3-room Pakka house for every BPL family. They will also be given free ration for the 5 years and free medical treatment and education. Now this is what these political parties are serving to you. It's up to you what to get and what not to. Till then, stay tuned for more updates. This is Anu Sapra and you're watching Janu Junction.